Guys, stay over here. Okay? You guys can wave to them when they come.
Are they nice?
Yeah, they're super nice. They're going to get the recycling.
By the odds. Hi. There's a lot of dogs today.
Is there?
Why is there no more? Yucky.
Yeah, don't go in the mud, guys.
Why is it?
You guys got new shoes.
Yeah, I got near
No, no, not in the mud, guys. Stand in the mud.
the.
Come up here. Up in the driveway. Okay, here it comes. Can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Here, go right here. Can you see it right here?
Oh. Ethan, Dobby Jack of Fondue. Ethan, Dobby Jack. Ethan, Dobby Jack. Yeah. Yeah. Ethan, Dobby Jack. There's a lot of my Dobby truck. A bunch of my Dobby truck. Yeah. A bunch of Dobby truck.
Yeah. Yeah? Oh, man. Say hi. Say hi. They fall down? Yeah.
You guys want to blow the horn?
Do you guys want to blow the horn? Come here.
That's okay with you. Like,
Yeah, that's fine.
hey, come here.
Here.
You want to blow the horn?
Do you want to blow the horn? Who else wants to do it? Do you want to blow the horn? Yeah. You want to bet it or no?
He's like, no.
I know, he's like, no, thank you. Okay.
My Ethan Poppy truck.
Yeah?
The way down.
Was that fun?
Yeah, of fun.
Come on, guys.
Why don't this truck have those hurt? Down.
Yeah.
Why don't the trucks have those horns? Again. Why, Mommy?
You guys, was it loud?
Why don't the trucks have those horns?
So that people would get out of the way. If you know, they're coming through.
Because they're real dogs.
What was it like sitting in the truck, Dominic?
The truck.
You like
I
sitting
want
in the
the
truck?
tree.
Yeah?
I did a tree.
Was it a little scary?
Yeah, I really said. It was awesome.
What was it, Ethan?
It was awesome.
Awesome? What did you do when you were in the truck?
Hopped the horn.
Yeah, kind of scared me, huh?
No, my dog was good.
Okay, you guys, let's go
My dog was
inside.
good. Ethan's dog was